Alright, y'all back with Streets. Freestyle cooking with Streets. Got another dinner for y'all. We about to go in real quick, real easy for y'all. Real simple, y'all. You know what I mean? We gonna do shrimp lo mein, soy sauce chicken, y'all. Going right in. Alright? So without further ado, let's go right in. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. Now we about to get into this meal. Do what we do. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and get our sauce together first. Alright? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go do 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, y'all. Let's go. Alright? We're going to do 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. Alright, next we're going to go do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright, now we're going to do 3 tablespoons of the chicken broth. 3 tablespoons, y'all. That's how we doing it, y'all. I got assistance today, y'all. That's how we doing it. 3 tablespoons. Maybe just give a little pour in there for a good look. All right, boom. All right, we still moving. We gonna do a tablespoon of the rice wine. That's how we doing it, y'all. There we go. Tablespoon of the rice wine. There we go. Alright, y'all. Now we're going to do a teaspoon of the brown sugar. There we go. Boom. And we're going to go ahead and do a teaspoon of salt, y'all. Bang. Getting it all mixed up. Yeah, there we go. That's our sauce, y'all. Right? There we go. We got the pan on medium high. Alright. We're going to get at about a minute to heat it up. We're going to pour some olive oil in the pan. Oh yeah. We got a little bit of olive oil going in there. Yeah. Stir it on up. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and get our, we got some scallions, some shallots, and some ginger, y'all, going up in the pan. Oh, yeah. And we're going to go ahead and mix that around, y'all. Maybe about 2 minutes. We're going to mix it around, get our pan coated. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Now that we had our scallions, shallots, ginger initially up in the pan, sauteing it, we're going to get our other veggies up in there, y'all. We have some carrots, some sprouts, chopped Brussels sprouts, y'all. Y'all can use whatever vegetable y'all want. But we going in up with that, y'all, yo. That's what we doing. Alright, we're going up with the vegetables we like. You can use any kind of vegetables you like. We doing the carrots, Brussels sprouts, and bean sprouts. Let's do it, y'all. Alright, y'all, we done let that roll for a good 3 or 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and add some of our ginger up in there. Alright, we're gonna add some ginger up in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna let that go for about another minute, y'all. While it's flowing. All right, now we're gonna get our shrimp up in there, y'all. Let's get our shrimp up in there, y'all. Now that's already cooked shrimp that we had bought from the store, already pre-cooked. We just getting it up in there. You know what I mean? If you got the raw shrimp, you might want to go ahead and do the raw shrimp first, and go ahead and sear it on up. But we're using the already cooked shrimp, so we good to go. Let's go. Okay, y'all. We didn't let this go for like 5 minutes. Just shaking and stirring. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of pasta up in there. Get our pasta up in there. We got our noodles on the side. We're going to put a little bit of pasta up in there, just a little bit. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get that mixed all up in there, y'all. Yeah. Just get that mixed up in there, y'all. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of our sauce in there, y'all, just a little bit, because we want to try to make sure the sauce is all over our noodles. So we're just going to put a little bit in there right now, y'all. There we go. We got a little bit of sauce in there, y'all. Let's go. We let that flow for a little minute. We let that go for a nice little second. You know what I'm saying? A couple minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more noodles and get the rest of our sauce up in there, y'all. Now we're going to add the rest of our sauce in there, y'all. Alright, now we're going to get the toss and the stirring, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. Our shrimp lo mein is done. We're about to get it up in a bowl. Alright, y'all, we got that shrimp lo mein ready. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. Put it in the microwave. We're going to get our soy sauce chicken going on, y'all. We're going to get our soy sauce chicken going on. Doesn't take long at all. We're going to put our lo mein in the microwave. Let it just be on standby. Let's get this chicken going, y'all. Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Let's do it! Alright, y'all. Now that we got our lo mein to the side, we about to get our soy sauce chicken going on. So we got a whole chicken here, clean, fresh, ready to go. We're going to go ahead and pour some dark soy sauce on that and rub it all up in the chicken, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, we want to rub that all up in some good soy sauce, y'all. Get every corner, nook and cranny of that chicken. Yeah. Alright, people, now we got that soy sauce covered all up on our whole chicken. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our seasonings up inside that chicken, y'all. We got some scallions, some ginger already cracked up, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take that and put it all up inside of the chicken, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna stuff that up in there to get that extra flavor, extra flow going on, y'all. We're gonna just stuff it right up on the inside of that. Let's do it. Alright, we got that ginger. And got them scallions. Yep, just stuff that all up in the inside, y'all. That flavor be popping. Y'all, now that we got our shrimp lo mein to the side chilling, we getting our soy sauce chicken ready. Alright, we done already got our chicken already prepared up, stuffed with the onions and the ginger, the scallions and the ginger. We gonna get our sauce ready, alright? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 cups of soy sauce. Alright, so we got our 3 cups of soy sauce. We're gonna pour into our pot. We're gonna put the pot on medium high. Yeah, we got our pot on medium high. We're gonna pour our 3 cups of soy sauce in. We're also gonna go ahead and pour in 3 cups of water. Alright, now we're gonna put in 2 seasonings of star anise seasoning. Alright, we're gonna put in 1 cinnamon clove. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put in about a tablespoon of garlic. Go ahead and put about a tablespoon of ginger. Alright, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of cloves up in there, y'all. Alright. And we're gonna go do 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Alright. And we're gonna do a tablespoon of rice wine. Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna put that on high. All the way up. We're gonna bring that to a boil, y'all. We also gonna add some green onions to it. Alright, now we're going to bring that to a boil, y'all, and mix it all together. Alright, y'all, we got our sauce to a boil. We're about to get our chicken up in there, y'all. We're going to put our chicken up in there. We're going to do it breast down first, y'all. Breast down first. There we go, y'all. Lay it up in there, y'all. Oh, yeah. Alright. Now we're going to get a cover. And we're going to cover the chicken up for about 15 minutes on that side. Then we're going to flip the chicken in the sauce for another 15 minutes, all right? 30 minutes, man. We want it to be nice and tender, nice and juicy. But that's all it takes, man. It's not long. Let's do it. Freestyle Cook with Streets. Let's go. All right, y'all. It's been about 15 minutes. We're going to take the top off. Go ahead and flip the chicken. Yeah, it's flowing real nice, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and turn it over. Oh yeah, looking real good, y'all. And we're gonna let that do its thing on that side for another 15 minutes, man. That chicken should be ready, y'all. Nice and juicy. Soy sauce chicken, freestyle cooking with streets. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. We're coming back, checking on our chicken. We had it on the other side. Alright, y'all. That chicken look real nice and tender. We about ready to take the pup out of there, y'all. Y'all. We got our soy sauce chicken up out the pan, up out the pot. Ready to get this sliced up, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, people. About to get our chicken cut up. Let's get this plated on up. Go ahead and cut the chicken down the middle. Alright, got the chicken cut down the middle where it's nice and juicy. Got our breast open, flowing. Cut the legs. There we go. There we go, y'all. Alright, y'all. And there we have our soy sauce chicken, shrimp lo mein. Popping off real nice, plated up. You can go ahead and carve your chicken up any kind of way y'all want to. You like the breast, you want to chop the breast up, you could do that. But I just got a leg off for y'all, so we can get to this plate up. Got the leg, shrimp lo mein ready to go. Alright. Please subscribe. Hit that notification, like, thumbs up. You know how we do, y'all. Holla.